Hi party people! On today's episode of Fried Diaries, we're going to teach you how to make air fried chicken nuggets. To get things started, you may be wondering, what is an air fryer? And what are the benefits of using it? Well, this is an air fryer. Wow! Is it better than using a fryer? Yes. Is it healthier? Yup. Is it keto? Well, I guess it depends on what you're putting it in there. Do you need to use oil? No, but you can if you want to use extra crispiness. Is it quick? Indeed. Should I buy one? Yes, of course. Without getting into more detail, we're going to show you how to make homemade chicken nuggets in the air fryer. Did you see that? I did. Check out these extra juicy chicken nuggets that you can make at home in your air fryer. Leave a comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn how to make in your air fryer, and you might just see it on one of the next Air Fryer Diaries videos. Please like and subscribe to Dramatic Eats to stay connected to tasty recipes. Cheers! Let me get him.